Hey guys, I'm gonna show you a more compassionate dog whelping with honey. We have a whelping situation born between compassion and my need not to be bending over. So we set her up a whelping station on the ground, and between being on the hard mat and, you know, we bought everything like you're supposed to buy. I got this little I got the heat lamp for in between feedings for the dog. Just a little thing off Temu. I think it was $150, $175. Heat lamp, fans, temperature. Wasn't the best. But then here's what we did that was a little custom. So we got this little mat here. It was pick up your stains and all when they first come over. But my wife had the fuzzy blanket, and Honey wanted to be on the fuzzy blanket more than the mat. So apparently we're gonna have to alternate between these two. You take her, take your ID tags. I guess there's a trick about keeping them on. But we got two of them that's undistinguishable between the marks, so we had to make sure one of the two stayed on. So make sure you use your ID tags. And then you're going to want to use your scales and make sure you weigh your puppies to make sure they're not losing weight. This is the second day. We got one of them likes to eat upside down. You just want to make sure that they're not getting smothered. I mean, she's still safe. She just likes being upside down eating. We just sit here and watch them. I know we got this edge of the bed, but really, I got a chair set up here. I sit here and watch and monitor them. If anybody even went out of the area, I would go ahead and move them back. Most of the time, my wife, if she's in here, she's laying right there beside Honey, comforting Honey or whatever. And if anybody gets in trouble, they get put in a little timeout container before they get transferred back to the box. Let me introduce y'all to some of these guys. We got
Welcome.
There's one. This is a girl. And we found out this is all the dogs, this is their favorite nipple. It's this, we call it the bag nipple. The biggest nipple at the back. We found that this is like the one that, if we put one dog here, that's usually the one they'll gravitate towards. Here's an upside down feeder. She just wants to be upside down. Yeah, it's a girl. We haven't picked names yet. We'll put it here, line it up to this nipple. And to get the nipple started, you want to Line them up. Line them up and get them started. And that's how you get them going. Once they get started, you can pull back. Now she'll find her way to flip upside down here in just a second. We got our pug just sitting here. She's not bred yet. Her pug's 9 months old. She's still got half a year better, but she's in training to be a good mama. I've been watching this, but she looks like she's going to do well. But she's just, she's usually a real hyper dog, but we're running our thing about 79 degrees. So we're going to put them back in the box. I know I've seen some people say 84, 85 degrees, but 79 degrees seems to be a good temperature for these. And you want to listen for aspiration as you take them off. Make sure they don't have any. Every warning sign should be going off right now. This is the #1 killer of French Bulldogs. So when you see this, you should run to the booger snatcher. Whether you have a manual one for $2 from the store, or you can order an electronic one.